is an invisible artist painting our future. Today, with diving into the world of wind technology, where air becomes the fuel for innovation. From flying cars to protein production, we've found the most incredible air-related breakthroughs out there. SkySurfer Aircraft is a remarkable electric device, can reach ride speeds of up to 105 km per hour. A single charge provides around 20 minutes of flight time an hour. However, like many similar inventions, it consumes power quickly. A satellite, it can lift up to 227 kilograms, so there's plenty of room for even the most robust protective gear. The team behind SkySurfer Aircraft has also devoted considerable effort to perfecting the control needed with delivery work and riding these vehicles. In December 2024, BMW opened the world's largest and quietest wind tunnel. It's sludged to test and metric vehicles and capable of generating wings up to 250 km per hour. The structure's 45 meters tall, roughly 100 meters long, and the cars inside feel like they're stuck in a hurricane. Yet, the engineers watching the tests can talk comfortably, because the tunnel produces noise similar to an AC unit. Amazing! Next time you see a sleek electric BMW, remember, it's desire there's a lot to wings testing in the event. Kea Atmos takes off directly from a car roof and heads skyward to where the clouds end and space begins.
Its wingspan is 12.5 meters. It's the world's first unmanned aerial vehicle powered entirely by solar energy Things are looking promising. The Kea Atmos can already stay airborne for 16 hours. And this year, the developers plan to build a model with a 30-meter wingspan and shows great potential for everything. Imagine a world where energy isn't stored in regular batteries, but in giant freezers filled with... This system is called CRYOBattery. Liquid air. Sounds like sci-fi? It's already real. And here's how it works. It captures atmospheric air and compresses it at -196 degrees Celsius. The resulting liquid is stored in low-pressure tanks. Need electricity? Just heat up the system. The air turns back into gas and spins the generator turbines. We could have a backup energy source capable of powering 200,000 homes for 12 hours during an emergency. Meet the wind turbines that are reshaping green energy. Instead of massive blades, they use compact aero, converting mechanical vibrations into electricity. Foils that sway in the wind. And works well in unusual locations, even along roadsides and airport runways. These turbines are also very cost-effective, and thanks to their sleek design, they fit right into urban landscapes, especially with an average cost of around 15 cents per kilowatt-hour. Traffic jams may soon be a thing of the past, and your daily commute could turn into an exciting adventure when the electric flying car H1-X is expected to go into production. The developers promise speeds of up to 305 km per hour. The estimated starting price is around $300,000, 2 passengers and their luggage, making it possible to park it right in front of your home. Plus, the vehicle is smaller than many of its competitors. The Chinese consortium GAC also wants to conquer the skies, focused on flying cars. And it already unveiled the GOVY AirJet electric vehicle, which is set to become an air taxi. It has a top speed of 250 km per hour. If all goes according to plan, flying over traffic jams could become a reality by 2027 and can cover 200 km on a single charge, with a recharge time of just 30 minutes. Mingyang has successfully launched OceanX, a floating offshore wind platform. It can supply about 54 million kilowatt-hours of electricity per year. It generates 16.6 megawatts from 2 turbines, enough for 30,000 households. And that's just the beginning. The rotor blades have a diameter of 182 meters, and the platform weighs 16,500 tons. For one, OceanX is huge. With wind speeds of up to 260 kilometers per hour. What's more, this massive structure can withstand Category 5 hurricanes. With wind located in southern China, OceanX is a clear sign of the country's serious push towards wind energy development.